Now that we all have footing in Papaorako, now that we all have had a fight of each other, all our strategies are changing now, and we're sort of adapting new styles and new ways to get into our opponent.
I think I'll gain a lot, seeing how some fighters fought. That's the main one, really.
Papaorako is the true testing ground, so it's always good to have some objective analysis of your technique.
It's going to be exciting. It's going to be, I'm not going to take things lightly anymore, as the challenges are starting to come up and people are going to start going home.
Got the boys thinking, how sort of buggered up on everyone's strategies, so you didn't have an idea on how things were going to go.
Here you're given the opportunity to share ideas and experience with the other toa, and the hope to gain some input to increase your chances of getting through to the finals.